In the depths of ancient Egypt, a mysterious book was said to hold the secrets of the gods. The Book of Thoth, a collection of forbidden spells and incantations, was rumored to have the power to control the forces of nature and bend reality to one's will. This book was said to be written by the god Thoth himself, and its contents were so powerful that they were hidden away from humanity, waiting to be uncovered by those brave enough to seek them out. In a long-forgotten tomb, a young pharaoh named Neferkaptah was said to have been buried with a copy of the Book of Thoth. Neferkaptah was a just and fair ruler, loved by his people, but his thirst for knowledge and power led him down a dark path. He became obsessed with the Book of Thoth, using its spells to gain ultimate power and control over his kingdom. But as he delved deeper into the book's secrets, he began to lose himself to its dark magic. The Book of Thoth was said to be cursed, its spells and incantations coming at a terrible cost to those who used them. Many who had attempted to unlock its secrets had been driven mad by its power, their minds shattered by the eldritch horrors that lurked within its pages. Yet, despite the warnings, many continued to seek out the book, hoping to harness its power for themselves. But as they delved deeper into the book's secrets, they began to realize that some secrets were better left unspoken. Deep in the Egyptian desert, a team of archaeologists stumbled upon the long-lost tomb of Neferkaptah. As they excavated the site, they discovered a hidden chamber deep within the tomb, filled with ancient artifacts and treasures beyond their wildest dreams. But as they explored the chamber, they began to realize that they were not alone. A presence, dark and malevolent, seemed to lurk in the shadows, watching them with cold, calculating eyes. As the archaeologists explored the tomb, they finally stumbled upon the Book of Thoth, hidden away in a secret compartment deep within the chamber. The book was bound in black leather, adorned with strange symbols and markings that seemed to shimmer and pulse with an otherworldly energy. As they opened the book, they were met with a musty smell, and the whispers of the Ancient Ones seemed to echo through the chamber, warning them to turn back while they still could. As the archaeologists delved deeper into the book's secrets, they began to uncover the dark rituals and incantations that Neferkaptah had used to gain ultimate power. But as they spoke the words aloud, they began to realize that they had made a terrible mistake. The rituals, it seemed, were not just mere words, but a key to unlocking the secrets of the afterlife. And as they spoke the final words, the chamber began to shake, and the air grew cold. Neferkaptah, it seemed, had been resurrected. As Neferkaptah rose from the dead, the archaeologists were met with a horror beyond their wildest nightmares. The pharaoh's eyes glowed with an otherworldly energy, and his presence seemed to fill the chamber with an unspeakable evil. The team tried to flee, but it was too late. Neferkaptah's powers, fueled by the Book of Thoth, were too great, and one by one, the team began to fall under his spell, their minds consumed by the dark magic that lurked within the book. In the end, only one member of the team managed to escape the tomb, driven mad by the horrors they had witnessed. The others were never seen again, and the tomb was lost to the sands of time, its secrets and treasures hidden away once more. But the legend of the Book of Thoth lived on, a cautionary tale about the dangers of delving too deep into the forbidden arts. And as for Neferkaptah, some say that on certain nights, when the moon is full, you can still hear his whispers echoing through the desert, tempting the brave and the foolhardy to uncover the secrets of the Book of Thoth. The story of the Book of Thoth and the resurrection of Neferkaptah serves as a warning to those who would seek to uncover the forbidden secrets of the Ancient Ones. Some secrets are better left unspoken, and some powers are too great for humanity to wield. The Book of Thoth remains a mystery, a reminder of the dangers of delving too deep into the unknown, and the horrors that lurk in the shadows, waiting to consume us all.